So you want to sell your home fast. What should you do? The average agent is going to tell you just drop the price. And I'm here to tell you that's not exactly what you should do. You see, the truth is, when you're looking to sell your home, as a real estate agent, my job is to get people in the house, which is by pricing it right from the beginning. So there's 3 different pricing strategies. Number 1 is called hyper compelling. That's where you discount the price to the very, very lowest and you hope for a bidding war. Now, when an agent tells you to do this, and it's their only method of selling a home, I start to think they really don't understand marketing. The second strategy is to price it for market value, just like an appraiser would. An agent will ask, what would the home actually appraise for? What would the value of this home actually be? Based on comparable sales, looking at active listings, and looking at pending sales, and then they price it at market value. And the last way to price is called non-compelling. This is where you list your home super, super high, and then you miss the mark. My tip is to always list your home at market value. If you want to get really excited, maybe just a little bit lower. And then from there, make sure your agent is big on marketing. Because when they do the marketing right, they're going to drive a lot of traffic to your home. And once they drive the attention to your home, bam, your house is sold.